Hello everyone. So it's September 22nd today, and an absolutely glorious day. A bit nippy to start off, but it's beautiful now. So I'm just walking down past the veg patch because today's operation is to try and get the potatoes, or start to get the potatoes up. Phil's been digging at a few for a while now, but we're going to get them lifted and hopefully stored this week. It gives a much better week, hopefully, to come. So still too wet to do any cultivating, but so this is what we're on this morning. So we've just started digging. There's the 3 forks. And so we've got 6 rows up this morning. So we're totally mechanized, as you can see. 3 men, 3 forks, and a total combined age of 199 years. So figure it out. But anyway, all good fun. So we're just going to leave these dry off whilst we have some lunch, and see if we can get them picked up this afternoon. So I might be back later on with a bit more filming. So bye. Okay, welcome back everyone. So we managed to pick up those 6 rows this morning and put them in that box. They were a variety called Cara, which seemed very nice. So we've decided to make a start on a few reds as well today. So there's some Desiree. So we're just plodding on quietly with that. And that's about all for today. I shall say hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.